Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change Discord password if you forgot it. If you're like me and you forget passwords a lot and you've forgotten your Discord password but you want to change it, how do we do that? Let me show you how. First of all, you have to open your web browser and navigate to the Discord login page, which is discord.com. And once you're there, the next thing you're going to do is click forget your password, which is usually located below the login fields. Then enter your email address or phone number associated with the Discord account. Then the next thing you're going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, Discord will send an email or SMS with a password reset link to the provided address or phone number. The next thing you're going to do is check your email or SMS. Look for the email that contains the password reset link or the SMS, and then you click on the link. Click the link in the email or SMS. It will redirect you to a page where you can now create a new password for a Discord account. Once you've created a new password, enter and confirm your new password. Make sure it meets Discord password requirements in length and complexity. Then use your new password to log into your Discord account. Simple as that. Note, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, you might need to provide additional verification steps during the password reset process. And if you cannot access your email address or phone number associated with your Discord account, you may need to contact Discord support for assistance. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget, when you forgot your password, do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much. See you in the next video. Bye for now.